Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5067036 or KB5067931, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and then over here you will see pause option, hit pause, and once the update is paused, resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the scan complete. Now once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser, take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now over here, write down the name of the update. So if you are facing error with KB5067036, then you write down this update. Or if you're facing the error with this update, then write down the name of this update over here. And then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And over here you can see version 25H2 in my case, and then you have to check the system type. So go to system, go to about option over here and check the system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then you click on this KB5067036 and then you can run this file. Let the download complete, click on it and you can install this update manually, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working? The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. So for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can check. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now when you run this exe file, you will see accept option. Click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and then let the download complete. The download will take some time, and once this is done, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Now go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here and then click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully, and you should not receive any errors. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.